Hi friends, today I'm going to talk to you about a very important topic, screen time for children. So as we all know, there are a lot of online classes happening and our children are exposed to screens such as laptops, desktops, mobiles, etc. So what should be done to prevent the damage and minimize this screen time? So first let me tell you what is the prescribed screen time for children. So our kids who are less than 2 years should not be exposed to any kind of screens. So kids from 2 to 5 years can be exposed to 1 hour per day. 5 to 10 hours can be exposed to the screen time around 1.5 hours per day, and more than 10 years, that is from 11 to 15, can sit around 2 hours per day. So this is the prescribed screen time for our kids. So what happens when they get exposed? So there is a film called tear film in front of our eyes. The black part and white part of the eye is covered by a tear film to keep it moist. So this tear film gets damaged when the children get exposed to this blue light which is emitted from the screen. So this gives rise to itching, irritation, dry eye, then increase in the eye power number. So this happens due to the constant near work. So they keep focusing on the screen that near to the eyes. So this leads to increase in the eye number, that is eye power increases. It can be myopia or hypermetropia, that is minus power or plus power, it keeps increasing. So when we don't take these children to ophthalmologist for a regular checkup, that is every 6 months, it is very difficult to keep it controlled. So if the eye number increases and the children are using the old glasses, due to the strain, it keeps increasing further. So that is why every child should be taken to an ophthalmologist, that is eye doctor, and his or her power to be checked, and the doctor will put some eye drops, dilate the eye and check the retina also if there are any other issues. So this is very, very important. So another most common problem is the posture. The kids are not maintaining their posture. They lie down and see laptop, desktop or mobile, etc. They lie down on their couches or sofas, etc. This should be avoided. They should be given a chair and a table. And the next issue is children tend to see the screen in the night times before they sleep. So this is a very bad habit and needs to be stopped immediately. 2 hours before they sleep, they should not be allowed to touch any kind of screen, that is mobile, laptops, etc. Should not be. The children should not be exposed before the sleep in the nights. So why they should not be exposed is their sleep cycle, that is the circadian rhythm, is disturbed. So they have problems of sleeplessness, that is they can't fall asleep, they have insomnia. Next day morning, if they don't have enough sleep, they feel tired, fatigued, and they can't carry their normal activities. So in order to avoid these problems, children should be screen free 2 hours before they sleep. So the next problem is there is a hormone called melatonin which induces sleep, which also gets disturbed by these activities. So what should be done to prevent all this? The children should be encouraged to follow this 20-20-20 rule by the parent. The parent guidance is very important. What is 20-20-20 rule is? Children should take a break of 20 seconds for every 20 minutes when they are exposed to these screens, and they should look at a distant object. So by doing this, they increase the blink rate, and the chance of dryness and strain is very much reduced. So one more thing is encourage your children to do activities like gardening, to play some sport, or ask them to help in your household activities like cleaning, cooking, etc. So that their screen time and the near work time is reduced. So friends, by doing all this, they can maintain a healthy lifestyle. So the last thing is they have something called blue block lens, which blocks the blue light, the harmful light which is coming from the screens and the mobiles. So this blue block light can be given with the spectacles, and this prevents the harmful light which damages their tear film. Thank you friends, and hope this video is useful.